Assalamu alaikum everyone. Welcome to Bake with Hafsa. I am Hafsa from Hafsa's Kitchen. I'm baking chocolate sandwich cookies, or you can call it chocolate cream biscuits, that too without an oven, in a casserole, which is almost available in every kitchen across the globe. I will bake these biscuits with a very easy recipe, and anyone who wants to bake with me can bake it by just following my instructions. So just come along, bake with me. Let's start baking. First of all, put round casserole on stove at low flame for preheating for around half an hour. The flame should be very low. Now we will make the cookie or biscuit dough. For that, add 100 grams of unsalted butter in a bowl. The butter should be at room temperature. Whisk it for 1 minute. After a minute, add 50 grams of icing sugar, that is powdered sugar. Simply grind white sugar in a grinder. Again whisk it for 4 to 5 minutes until butter gets fluffy and change its color. See, now butter is much lighter in color. Add 130 grams of all-purpose flour, 3 tablespoons of cocoa powder, and 1/4 teaspoon of baking powder. Now mix it with a spatula like this. The cocoa powder which I am using here is Dutch process, means it's extra dark in color. Now remove the spatula and with the help of your hand make the smooth dough. And it is supposed to be just like a clay, like you can make anything with it. Now take a butter paper, put the dough on a butter paper. And cover it with another butter paper. Now press it and with a rolling pin roll it. Here, if you don't have a butter paper, you can use plastic foil or a plastic wrap. It will ensure that we will get very smooth rolled dough. Just like this. If we remove the butter paper, it should be very smooth, just like this. Now take a knife and cut it like this. We want 2 rectangles out of this dough. As we're making sandwich cookies and I am making it in rectangular form, that's why I'm cutting rectangle. If you want it to be square, you can cut it squares, or even you can use a cookie cutter. Now remove the sides of this dough. We are not going to waste the sides of the cookie. Combine it all together, make the dough out of it, roll it again, cut it again, and then bake it. Here we have 2 rectangles. You don't have to measure it, just cut small rectangles out of these big rectangles. Now take a skewer and make a hole like this on the top of a cookie. and with a offside spatula, lift it up just like this. Take a baking tray. Here I have a steel Indian thali which I use for my baking, and we don't have to put any butter paper on it or even grease it. Use a knife to separate the cookie from the butter paper and then lift it up from the offside spatula. Now I have two baking tray full of cookies and I have only one casserole to bake it. Now if you have the same situation, first bake one tray in casserole and put the another in freezer. As I have oven, so I am going to bake one tray in casserole and another one in oven. Now as my casserole and oven are already preheated, I am going to put one tray in oven. And for casserole, first of all we are going to put a stand in the middle of a casserole, then put baking tray over that stand, and now cover it and bake it for 20 to 25 minutes at medium flame. Now if you want to bake it in oven, bake it for 15 to 20 minutes at 200 degrees Celsius. Now it's been 25 minutes already. Let's check our cookies. Simply take it out and let them come at room temperature. They are already baked. Now we will make the cream or the filling of the cookies. For that, here I have 1/4 cup of unsalted butter at room temperature. Take a whisk and simply whisk it for 1 to 2 minutes. After whisking, add half cup of icing sugar or powdered sugar in it. Three tablespoons of cocoa powder. Whisk it again for 3 to 4 minutes until it gets fluffy and all mixed well like this. The super easy and quick filling of the cookies are ready. Take it out in a piping bag so that it will be easy to pour it over the cookie. Now make pair of two similar size cookies. The cookies are at room temperature. Take two similar size cookies and put them together like this. Now pipe some buttercream on a cookie like this and sandwich it with another cookie. And press it lightly. And our sandwich cookies are ready. They're super chocolatey, super creamy and just amazing. If you like this recipe, hit the like button. If you have any questions regarding this recipe, you can ask me in the comment section below. If you like this channel, do subscribe. Make sure to subscribe and keep baking. Bake fresh for yourself.